Hello, I'm Dimitri, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Seattle. Today, I'm going to show you how to use an application load balancer to redirect traffic from one domain to another. Let's get started. In this demonstration, I'm going to create and configure a new application load balancer to redirect traffic. To do this, sign into the AWS Management Console and then navigate to the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Console, or EC2 for short. In the left navigation panel, we'll choose Load Balancers. For this demonstration, we will be creating a new load balancer. Note that you can only use an application load balancer to redirect a domain. Under Application Load Balancer, choose Create. For the load balancer name, we'll use Domain Redirect ALB. For scheme, you can choose either internet-facing or internal, depending on whether you want the domain or load balancer to be accessible from the internet or only from network devices within your virtual private cloud. For the load balancer IP address, we'll choose IPv4. For VPC, I'm going to select my default VPC and 2 subnets. For my security group, I'll select my HTTP/HTTPS security group, which allows only inbound ports 80 and 443. Now we'll configure the domain redirection under listeners and routing. For protocol and port, I'm going to keep the default listener that accepts HTTP traffic on port 80. For routing actions, choose redirect to URL. You can either choose URI parts to enter each part of the URL separately or full URL for the full address. I'm going to select URI parts, select custom host path query, and edit the host domain to aws.amazon.com. We'll keep the path and query as the default. If you wanted to redirect using the full URL, we would change the host tag to aws.amazon.com. Now select the 300 HTTP status code. I'm going to keep the default of 301. Finally, choose Create Load Balancer. To test the application load balancer's connection, you can either use a web browser or run a curl command to get more verbose information. For web browser testing, we'll copy the application load balancer's domain name and paste it into our web browser's URL. As you can see, we've successfully redirected to aws.amazon.com. For command line interface testing, run the appropriate CLI application for your operating system. In my case, that's Terminal. In the command line, we'll run the command curl/I, lowercase v, and then the ALB's domain name. The -I option outputs only the HTTP headers instead of the HTML body, and the -v option provides more information about the HTTP connection. In the output, we get an HTTP 301. To follow the redirection, we can run the same command but add a -l option to our curl command to follow the redirection to the Amazon webpage. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.